Hey, it is May 27th, 2019. We are at Horse Race Rapids in the UP between Crystal Falls and Iron Mountain. And I'm going to talk about what's behind me here. North is roughly about that way, so that way south. You can probably hear the river, Pink River in the background. But we're a little bit away from that, and I actually have done a publication on this already, but here I'm just going to talk about it, and I will also link below, if I remember, my other Quartzolite video about the Michigami slate further north, north of Covington, that I'm going to talk about here, because this is another Quartzolite. Okay, now you see it real good here, all right, and then you look at this rock right here. This is all quartz. This is not. The contact's right here. So this is all quartz. I'm walking on quartz. You can see it sticking out. There's quartz here. It's not there. Now, this is what we suspect to be metamorphosed Michigami, like the other Quartzolite north of here. Well, it kind of dips this way towards the west. Kind of looks like a large vein fill, something that's like 12 feet wide, 12 to 15. Well, how do I know this is a Quartzolite and not just some sort of vein fill? Well, if you look closely at the Quartzolite, you can even see from there. Look closely at it. It's very jagged, broken. It looks more like rock than quartz. If this was a giant vein fill, you would expect to see large crystals near the sides, and you don't see that. This could have been a feeder dike of Quartzolite. I don't see that. There are little tiny flakes of mica in it, of muscovite, but unlike the other Quartzolite further north of here, we don't see the bottom of the magma chamber, so we don't see it here. But this it's very what we call bull quartz. There's no crystals in this. It's just white SiO2. So that's what makes me suspect it's a Quartzolite. Like I said, it fractures and breaks more like the surrounding, what we suspect is metamorphosed Michigami rock. So this is probably the largest occurrence of quartzite I found yet in the Upper Peninsula. I would like to, do some detailed analysis of this, but we do have some granular looking stuff over here with no crystals. So this would have been injected as a low temperature magma, maybe 600 degrees Celsius, probably even less than that. It probably did follow a large fracture, and it just slowly cooled. It could have gotten further up, but all that's eroded now and is gone, so I suspect this is a feeder dike of quartzite. You can also see a little bit of it right here on this part too. You see it down there. So